Julie, awesome job of that beautiful, beautiful colour combination you've achieved in the magnolia. One of the most beautiful ones I've seen. Well done, you.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Awesome. It was a lovely experience. What a great way to spend 3 days with some like-minded souls, indulging in their passion, picking up some new skills along the way, eating fine food and drinking wine. What could be better?
I don't always do the wine, but we did have a couple of bottles of Prosecco at the end. It was so much fun. I think we deserved it. We worked hard.
I think we did too, and it was to celebrate...
our last free time before quarantine?
Yes, exactly. That's what it was about.
We needed to do that. Well, hopefully you do some paintings while you're in quarantine.
I will.
Yeah, awesome. I'm so proud of your effort. Just love it. Well done. It's just a gorgeous painting.
And thank you for your input.
Oh, a little bit of help with Monsieur Pineapple in the middle. But actually, your effort was good too. You could paint that 5 different ways and it would probably turn out. So, you know, I'm sure if you have a go next time, you picked up tips.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, of how we did that. So it'd be really cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.